Oh my god, I'm committing, I'm committing. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to DIY Master episode 4. Yo, tell me how we're already at episode 4 of DIY Master. Like, I feel like this is flying by. Let me know in the comments and give this video a like if you've seen all 4 episodes so far. And also let me know after we hit episode 5 if we should take like a little break, a little intermission, do some other DIY types of videos, and then come back, or if you want me to just keep going. So let me know in the comments, and also let me know if this project is a fail or a nail. So if you're just now tuning in to DIY Master, this is the show where I put my DIY skills to the test against harder, more difficult, and bigger projects, bigger than anything I've ever done. And for today's episode, we are tackling sculpting. Like, not the Play-Doh sculpting or like slime sculpting. This is like the real deal sculpting. Your girl has not touched clay since maybe ever? Honestly, have I ever actually sculpted anything for real? Nope. All right, cool. So this should be really fun. I am gonna be sculpting my dog, like the crazy dog mom that I am. And let's just let's do it. Okay, so I would just like to preface this DIY Master with the fact that I have never sculpted anything, and the last thing I sculpted would have been Play-Doh, which at the time would have been like 50% eating Play-Doh, 50% like making a caterpillar. So we're going from like 0 to 100, like caterpillar and eating Play-Doh to like making a moose. So I have 10 pounds of clay and they're so heavy. I don't know anything. Like, I literally know nothing about sculpting, but I do know that I got muscles. Let's freaking do this. Let's freaking make a moose. And also I feel like I could potentially be here for a long time. So I'm gonna cap this off at like, what can I sculpt in an hour? Let's do it. It's a baby mouse. It's a baby mouse. This is the goal. This is what we're gonna try and make it look like, but without legs, because that's just too much. We're gonna go for head. And we're just like molding. I'm not trying to paint or anything. I mean, moose got a really thick neck, so like neck, head, done. Just kidding. Guys, also, I ordered these like molding kits off of Amazon. They came with a ton of tools. I don't know how to use any of these. It's like what I know about makeup brushes. Nothing. Sculpting brushes, nothing. But we got a lot of options here. Don't know how to use any of them. But yeah, we're just gonna roll with it. Okay, so I really don't think moose needs that whole, do you think this will cut through? This is probably not what this tool is used for at all. Okay, so I'm gonna use half of this for neck and then half of this for like facial features like ears, because we're gonna need a lot of clay for those big ears. They're big ears. We're doing this. We are so doing this. Is his neck this big? Probably not. Apparently if you wet it, it gets more moldy. Do we think that's true? Oh, so nice. Oh my god, that makes it so smooth. Okay, wait, that's the answer. My strategy is I'm gonna make a Mia's head and then put it on our Mia's neck. Okay, I know it doesn't look like a neck yet, but it's gonna look like a neck, I swear. Thank God he's got just like a really round oval head, because I don't think it's gonna be too hard. I really think it's just gonna be like, you know, carving a dinosaur. Not that I've ever carved a dinosaur before either. Guys, I will be so impressed if I can make anything and also not lose a finger or a limb during this, but I will be so impressed with myself if I can make anything that slightly resembles a Mia's. It already looks like moose. Like, this literally is like this.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Like, that's literally we have Mia's neck, we have Mia's ears, and I think I made them a little too big because I think that looks like a bunny. Does it look like a bunny? Good. Okay, well, let's put them on and then see what happens. Oh, actually, that's very large. That's like supersonic hearing. Moose can't hear anything. More actually, he chooses not to hear anything. Yes, if you guys don't know, my dog is a bull terrier, so like that's why he doesn't have a snout and his whole head is a snout. Oh my god! This is a Mios. This is gonna be a freaking Mios. It looks like a donkey right now. Everything is so much harder in 3D. I just like didn't even really think about it. I don't think you guys understand how serious this is when I say like if this looks anything like moose, I'm gonna put it as a centerpiece somewhere on my shelf. You think I'm joking, but I'm super not joking. Okay guys, we have a donkey. I just need to bring light to the situation that I have so much clay under my nails and I want to throw up every second I can feel it. Moving on, Mios needs a nose. And so like, Mios. Missy the red nose, bull terrier. Guys, I would also like to request that Jenna Marbles makes a clay sculpture of her cermet, please. So make sure you go tweet her and say that laurDIY has requested that Jenna Marbles tries to sculpt a cermet or a marble. But I think preferably a cermet. I feel like he's got like a good snout shape. Oh, wait, that actually looks pretty cute. But noses are definitely not that 3D, right? I feel like I've looked at my dog's face for so long, but just like trying to put it into real life as like a 3D visual is just not something my brain is capable of. So what does your nose look like? Guys, I'm gonna scoop out an eyeball. That sounds so messed up. Also, I didn't really clarify this, but my dog's name is Moose. I'm not making a moose, his name is Moose, and he's a bull terrier. He's a mini bull terrier actually, but his name is Moose. So let's scoop a moose eyeball, y'all. So my dog has been gifted with these eyeballs that sit kind of like on the top and side of his head. Oh my God, I'm committing. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, this feels so wrong. Well, my game plan this here is that I've made little mini eyeballs so that we can put them in here and then we can somehow make little moosey eyelids. This is so hard. I should have bought that spinny thing that all the pottery people have so that I could just be like, zit, and then be like, blah, 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 and be like, zit, and then be like, blah, 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 and sculpt the Mios. Looks like. Kind of looks like I just stuck an M&M in there. Oh, that felt weird. I'm pushing his eyeballs back into a skull. We're gonna go for round 2 on eyeballs because Matt has pointed out his eyeballs are like this way. That was the problem. Okay, here we go. Round 2, moose eyeballs coming at you. They're like almond, like he's got like almond eyeballs. Oh, that already looks better. Oh yeah, that's the move. I have learned that Moose's ears are like an inch back. They're like attached to his neck basically. So I don't know if this is like a just chop them off and stick them back there situation or if like I can push it back, but I'm gonna go with the push situation first and just try that. Moose, I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to disrespect your ears like that. Oh, he already looked, well, looks like a cat now. Oh no! And this ear goes, I mean, like, my hands kind of just did that without my brain really following along or like approving that message. I mean, yeah, it needs work, but I think we're a little closer.
That's a moose.
That's...
More moose.
More moose.
More moose.
More moose. Guys, honestly, like, I'm gonna put this next to the door so that if a burglar ever comes in, I have a weapon because this is so heavy. Okay, so Moose has like a super cute little mouth. He's always smiling too. Aww, happy Moosey Bear! He's so happy. Oh my God, wait, that actually looks so cute. Look at him. He's so happy. This is honestly just like a glorified toothpick. I can't believe they charged me $20 for this thing. That's such a Mios. Also, I feel like if any of my friends need their teeth cleaned, I think I probably have the appropriate tools to clean your teeth or pop a pimple. They look like pimple popping tools. Matt, you're not first in line? You're not first in line for that? I'm pretty sure they just like went and ordered some like dentistry tools and some skin tools and then put it all together and called it a clay kit. You're not fooling us. You're not fooling us, Amazon. Guys, that's a mother-freaking moose. I feel like that's like the saying of DIY Master. It's a mother-freaking blanket. That's a moose. That's a moose.
That's a moose right there.
That's a mother-freaking moose.
That's a moose right there.
That's a really accurate size. Also, Moose is really that like head heavy. Like he's very top heavy, as you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna add some like face details and then that's it. Like I'm gonna give him some nostrils and some like hair follicle dots over here, like around his nose. Yeah, I think that's it. Guys, we made a mother-freaking moose. I'm really proud of us. Thank you for all your support and your belief in me of making a Mios. Guys, I think I'm done, but I just like, I wasn't happy with it sitting on, you know, like a plastic party plate. So this is my paper towel holder and I dug a little hole out in his neck and here we go, moment of truth. Oh my God. I just like don't want it to come through his brain. Like, do you think it'll harden or do you think it'll slip through his brain? I think that's good, right? Like maybe I'll just flatten out this bottom part here. Oh my God. We super made a motherfucking moose. Presenting the wonderful, the very still clay sculpture moose! Oh my gosh, guys, it's like a little creepy, I'm not gonna lie, it's like a little creepy. Also, like, what am I gonna do with this now? I don't have a paper towel holder anymore and I have a clay sculpture moose. Like, I think that it only makes sense. Oh, this is so creepy. If we put it up, right? What do we think? Is that weird? Yeah, it's a little weird, right?
A little bit.
It's a little weird, but like the good weird. The good weird. Moose! It's you! Look, Moose! It's you! Oh God. Is that you? Ah! Is that you? Ah! I'm so nervous gonna like just go like hang and take the whole like snug. They look pretty similar, right? Sculpture moose, are you okay? Let's go back inside. Hello, a week has gone by and I know I look super beautiful right now, but I just wanted to check in with you guys and show you that I painted the moose sculpture. It's looking very beautiful and low-key so creepy. I am that dog mom that officially has their dog sculpted in a really janky way and it's gonna be on display. There's no way I'm not gonna keep this. It's too good. I also just love moose too much. So yeah, that's it. Yes, look. What's that? Is that you? Is that you? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and make sure to go check out all the episodes of DIY Master. They will be linked in the down bar below in a series playlist. Let me know in the comments if I nailed it or failed it. And if there are other dog owner YouTubers you'd love to see do this challenge, please tweet them because I would love to see other people be dog mom or dog dad AF and sculpt their dogs. Jenna Marbles and Cermet, I'm looking at you specifically. Don't let me down. Make sure to follow me on all my socials and all that good stuff. And I will see you guys on Wednesday for a weekly vlog and again on Sunday for another Sunday. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the